Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the M24 Chaffee tank. Chaffee, something like that. It's a US World War II tank. This is available at miniaturetankscompany.com. And let's go ahead and start assembling this kit. Here we go. These parts, they're all good, ready to go. And this one too. But this part needs a bit of sprue cutting. So there you go, just cutting these sprues there. Now, be careful with this next step, but you need to remove these little plastic pieces from this kit, like that. And then you can go ahead and clean up underneath this gun, some of this plastic. Like that, with these sprue cutters, these hobby clippers. They're available at miniaturetanks.com. And if you wish, you can take some sanding supplies and sand underneath that gun as well. So now we're done all of this process. So let's get going with the main part of the kit, the gluing process. So just put some glue here and here. I'm just putting at both ends there, that way I can actually use the table as a guide. The table, the flat surface of the table could help if you can see how that's working out. All right, that is that part of the tank. While that's being solved, gluing, let's go ahead and do this. So you can see where this little cylinder piece goes to the turret like that. So just go ahead and put some glue down like that. And then take this piece and carefully put it there. There you go. Well, what's next is putting these pieces on. For where they go, it's about like that. Basically where these little things line up well with that part of the edge of the tank there. But anyways, so the next step, of course, is to put glue. Alright, so that's probably enough glue. Then carefully take this piece, put it like that. This piece, the geared piece of the track, faces forward on the tank. So of course we can let that dry for now, and let's go ahead and put this little back piece on the back of this turret. So just take this little piece and put it there. Great. And then the last track here. Then take this track and put it down like you did the other track. And then it's a good idea to put this tank on the table and test the tracks, make sure it's all flat on the surface of the table. Alright, so that's the M24 Chaffee from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.